Welcome back, everybody. We're at a construction site of the YouTube channel WBD Weight Build Dig. We're going to do a little tour of his project. This is a project of a friend of mine that I've known since school. We went to mechanic school together, and as you can see behind me, his project is way bigger than any project I've ever done. So we're going to check it out, kind of see what he's got going on next.
That's so scary. This thing. Are you recording it? Yeah. Alright, so you're going to walk in the grand entry. This will be the living room. And it's basically 20 by, I don't know, 15. And then you'll have French doors right there. This will be the kitchen right here. I'm still going to add another window over there. We did decide on that. So the kitchen will be right here, and this will be like, you know, right over here. It'll be the sink. Basically somewhere right here we're gonna center it up, the sink. And then, you know, like probably fridge, stove, or swap them around. And then this right here is gonna be a pantry, but it may not be. Because Kim don't like having like a counter stop, or a cabinet stop right here and then stop right there. Like she thinks it's gonna look funny. But I do have an idea where we can put, still have the pantry there, but you just walk through some cabinets, you know what I mean? Like you open up the doors and then you just walk underneath them, like a garage. Like I said, the stairs will be right here. And underneath the stairs on this side will be some kind of closet.
So stairs here?
Yep, so you come up, there'll be like a landing about this height, and you'll be able to walk around this way and then go up the rest of the way.
So he's not going to make us walk up when the house is built. He's not going to make us walk up a ladder, thank goodness.
Yeah, yeah.
The stairs go up to there.
Yep, and then under the stairs, right here will be some kind of closet, you know, preferably a linen closet. And then right here is what they call powder room.
Oh yeah.
And then you come on down here, this will be the laundry room. Originally we was going to have this door out here, but it just didn't work out. It worked better to have it over there. You know, that way you can just walk into the vanity. And then of course that's the door outside the back door. But there's a closet right there. That's gonna be like the maintenance closet, water heater, electric panel, stuff like that. And then there here's the master bedroom. There you go, that's the bedroom, closet, and of course the bathroom. And the bathroom will have like a toilet, tub, shower, and dual vanities.
That's a good sized bathroom.
We actually took this plan of the bathroom and bedroom right here. This whole area was kind of based off of our other house. So we kind of took those dimensions, I should say. The closet's different though. The other closet was separated and we walked through the middle of it. But I like it better like this because you have, I think you have more space actually. What it's doing, it's just coming on down. All the right way to fall on me. You know, I know why they go with hard ass now. Hey, about good. Looking good, me. it's gonna be 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So you'll land right here. When you come up the stairs, stairs right here. So we come up on a landing down there, you turn and come all up here and land right here. So the bathroom's gonna be right here. And then, you know, it'll be like a little hallway, so you can go into this bedroom and then straight into that bedroom like that. And then so there'll be a main wall that goes right down the middle. You know, probably about where this wood is right here, I mean this line. So there'll be a center wall. Knee walls, of course, you know, they'll be out here on the end, like right here on this end of where this board is. That'll just come up and hit these rafters. And, you know, so then just build a room up here and bathroom, and closets and all that stuff. So
you'll have kind of a cathedral ceiling. You have the knee wall, and then come up like a...
Yeah, like your wall will probably be, you know, somewhere right here.
Right.
It'll just come straight up, so you know you won't be able to get all the way over there. And then you'll have this will be your. You'll see all this. It'll be like shaped like that, and then that's your ceiling.
Right.
And then, like I say, your wall will be about right here. So you'll have about half that ceiling of that, and that's a 9-foot ceiling height.
Gotcha.
So that'd be cool.
I like it.
You know, Kim wants to do like a railing, but I feel comfortable having like basically a knee wall that comes up to your waist right here. You know, and then it just be open. So there'll be like all these walls you see down here, they'll come up and tie into the rafters. And then, so there'll be a wall, you know, anyway. So there'll just be like a little, about the size of this ladder thing right here, where you can like look down into the, you know, living room and kitchen and all that. Of course, all you're really gonna see is just the living room because, like I said, there's gonna be walls that come up and block all that. But so you'll have a little view down there.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Dwayne Cottage. I really don't know what to call it, you know, but
The cottage.
yeah, his wife said she likes to call it a cottage. But anyway, this is a huge project, especially a DIY project, way bigger than any project I've ever done. If you want to see what he's got going on, subscribe to his channel, WBD Weight Build Dig, working on losing weight, build, obviously something like this he's building. And he has some framers that he's hired. He's had a couple things that he's contracted out, but a lot of it he's done himself. And that's one of the things that I like to focus on my channel is doing things yourself, trying to show people there are a lot of things you can do yourself. You save yourself a lot of money. So Dwayne and Kim, they're saving tons of money by doing a lot of this themselves. It takes patience and it takes a lot of guts, really a lot of courage to do this stuff yourself, but he's doing it. So wait, build, and then dig. You saw the piece of equipment in the video where I helped him with his air conditioning unit, and he loves heavy machinery and getting out and digging in the dirt. If you like that, subscribe to his channel. So if I could figure it out, I might put a link right here to his channel. I don't know. I'll at least put a link there to one of his videos, take you over to his channel. You can subscribe and see what he's doing. So that's it for this video. Thank you for coming with us on the tour. We hope you have a great day.